Hello, this is Meghna. Today we are going to look into fractions part 2. In the last video, we have seen what is a fraction and its types. It has three types: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction with unlike fractions and like fractions. Now, today we are going to learn converting a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, converting an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. As we know what are mixed fractions and improper fraction, we can convert them into each other, but we cannot convert proper into improper and proper into mixed or mixed into proper. Only we can convert these two. So now let us see how can we do that. Now for example, let me take some 2 um 2 by 4. Okay, now this I have to convert into a improper fraction. How do I do that? First, these two numbers, what do we say? The whole number and the denominator, we have to multiply. Means 4 twos are 2 fours are how much? 8. Then we have to this product, we have to add the numerator. What is this? 8 8 plus 2, you get 10 10, and always the denominator remains the same again as 4 by 4. You got, see, this is not a proper fraction, this is an improper fraction. Mostly always you get, when you convert a mixed fraction into a what we say want to convert, you will get an improper fraction. See, we got. Now let me tell you how to convert a improper fraction into a mixed fraction by taking the same example again. Now 10 by 4. This is an improper fraction as the numerator is greater than the denominator. Now this I have to convert into mixed fraction and I have to get 2 by 4. Now let me see whether I will get or not. Now for what we did over here, for converting a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, we did multiplication of the whole number, the denominator on the whole number, and added that product to the what we say numerator. Here we did two operations, multiplication and addition. But here, for converting an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, you have to do division. And how that means, I will tell you. What is this? This is the numerator. As this is big, this will go inside the division. And 4, this 4 will be out. Now, we have to do normal division. What is this? 2s are 8. You do the subtraction, you get 2. Now, this we got. See, while all you should remember this. By converting an improper fraction to mixed fraction, you will always get a reminder. This reminder is for sure while converting a mixed fraction, what we say improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Now, how do we place these numbers into a mixed fraction? Always this, yeah, I'm back. This 2, what do we say? What is this? This is known as the quotient of the division. This quotient will always be your whole number and your remainder will be your numerator, and this divisor again the same, it will be your denominator. See, over here also it is 4 and over here also it will be 4. The denominator does not change. See, we got 2 by 4, 2 by 4. And if you want to cross check again, you can do the same method by doing this multiplication of these two and adding the product to this and check whether you get 10 by 4 or not. This is very simple. You should remember that the quotient will be your whole number and your remainder will be your numerator and the divisor will be your divisor will be your divisor. No, the denominator will be your divisor, dd. Yeah. Now, equivalent fractions. What are this? Now let me read. You can make equivalent fractions by multiplying or dividing both top and bottom by the same number. You only multiply or divide, never subtract or add to get an equivalent fraction. Now, for example, let me take 2 by 4. This is a proper fraction. And I want to know the equivalent fractions. Means whenever you divide or subtract that fraction, you will get like the sister or something like of that fraction. Now, we can only multiply and divide. We cannot subtract and add. So for this I am multiplying because this is a small fraction. You can do, see, if you do division to this fraction divided by, yeah, divided by how much you can take. See, this no need to do that much. As you know what we say, cross multiplication you get. See, this 2 ones are and this is 2 twos are. Now I got 1 by 2 by dividing it. How did I divide? 2 by 4 divided by 2 and again divided by 2. How much do you get? 1 by 2. Now again, see, remember that for getting a small, for that, this is a, now let me take 3 by 6. For this, if I want to get a smaller fraction, smaller equivalent fraction, I have to divide. And if I want to get a bigger equivalent fraction, I have to multiply. For getting big, we have to multiply, and for getting small, we have to divide. Here, see, 2 by 4 is big compared to 1 by, see, I got smaller than the fraction. Now I comparing of fractions, I will tell you in more of my videos. Now for this again, if you multiply 1 by 2 into 2, as I divided it with 2 to reduce it, again if you multiply it with 2 into 2, you get the same fraction, 2 by 4. These types of fractions are said to be equivalent fraction. Like when you add or divide them, you get the equivalent fraction of the what we say specified fraction. So hope you have understood. Thank you.